Today we're going to show you some of the best fabricating and chip making machines in the business. Machines like metal bending brakes, notchers, angle and sheet metal rolls, power hammers, cold saws, bandsaws, mills, and more.
We look forward to showing you the latest and greatest machinery Sterling Machinery Exchange and Baileigh Machinery have to offer.
Make sure to ask us about great financing options available so we can make sure to fit all your financial needs. I hope to talk to you soon about some great machinery. You know our motto, Eat, Sleep, Machine. BSV-20VS vertical bandsaw made for cutting metal. You'll see right here you got the blade welder, grinder, and a nice little cutoff. So depending on the blades you're making, if you do break a blade, you can repair it. If you have to make a hole, you got to drill a hole in the center of material. You're going to feed your blade in, weld it, and do all that. You can do that too. So you can get some real nice cuts in here. Simple miter gauge, rip fence. It's a 2-speed hydraulic transmission. If you look right here, you'll see the high and low. That's where you change for your high and low speed. And you have your variable speed right here. You just turn this little handle. Notice we're at 38 right there. It's going to increase as everything gets built up. As we increase the speed there, we increase our speed here. Really nice and easy indicator to see exactly what you're doing. Nice range of motion here. Got a nice work height. Your blower is going to come right here and blow all the little chips off of everything. Take a look at the inside of this guy. Simple. Adjust your wheel right here. This is going to make your blade tighter and looser. Really depending on what type of things you're cutting. If you need something larger or smaller, you can see they've even got this little guy. So this is a 14-inch, this is a 20-inch. Depending on what you're cutting, if you need a horizontal, a vertical, or a cold saw, we got the right machine for you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311 and check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.